Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and first impressions of the new Bullet Wireless Z, the new earphones announced by OnePlus. So we have seen Bullet Wireless earphones announcing previously, but this time around we have a different category. The OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z earphones are priced 1,999 and that's retailing for around 2,000 rupees in India. And they are much more affordable than the previous generation Bullet Wireless earphones. Now we have the box packed with us. So this is the new, you can see the new logo, OnePlus logo, and the Bullet Wireless Z. So this has some really cool features. Let's see what all features it offers. So you can see that the box pack mentions warp charging. 10 minutes of charging gives you around 10 hours of listening time. That's really impressive. Full charge gives you 20 hours of listening time. That's again impressive. Magnetic control, simply clip the bullet together, then it will turn off the music playback. Then it's waterproof, reinforced sweat and water resistance designs for sports. Then quick switch. That means double press the switch button to switch between recently paired devices. So in case you're paired with two devices, you can quickly switch between them easily. Then low latency mode, ultra low latency when gaming. So that means this will work only with the OnePlus Fanatic mode. So that means when you're playing PUBG and all, you have the low latency mode as well. So quite useful for PUBG gamers. And this remember, this is a wireless earphone, so obviously there will be some latency. So that's why low latency mode is included here. So that works only with the OnePlus Fanatic mode on OnePlus devices. So let's now open the box and see the device. So taking this out. So this is the box package. You can see the Bullet Wireless, how the design is. So you can see this is the new Bullet Wireless Z. We'll see what else comes inside. You can see the Never Settle logo, user guide and accessories included. So let's see what all accessories it comes with. So you can see the charging cable. It has a Type-C charging. So you can see this is the cable. This has been shipped with all the Bullet Wireless earphones previously announced as well. Now let's see what else is coming inside this box. So you get two additional ear tips included. So these are the two additional ear tips. You can see that red and black. So that's the color. So this also comes with the user manual. So there you go, a red cable club. Then this has the user manual. So you can see Bullet Wireless Z user manual, and all the details and how to pair everything is mentioned here. Multiple languages are there. So that's the one. So let's keep all these things aside, and now we'll take out the Bullet Wireless Z. So you can see that looks pretty cool. So let's see if there is any major design change here. So we don't see any design change. You can see that this has a really glossy finishing. Build quality looks really good. You can see that the glossy finishing, and the magnetic sticking mechanism is really strong. It is pretty strong. You can see it latches on pretty neatly. So that's the mechanism, and the design also looks good. You can see that the Bullet Wireless now the cables are again good. We have the buttons here. So this is to accept call, increase or decrease volume, the play and pause button. Then we have the power button and the charging port here. So this has the USB Type-C port. So OnePlus logo is also mentioned here, and the cables are quite good. I mean, it's pretty soft material, so the comfort levels would be really good. So design wise, there isn't any major change here. So it looks pretty good here. Now in terms of specification, the overall weight is like 28 grams and 20 hours of battery life. 10 minutes of charging with the charger gives you around 10 hours of audio, and this is a magnetic control. Now quick switch, volume, skip track and phone calls and voice assistant are included. Then IP55 water and sweat resistant. Then Bluetooth range is around 10 meters. Bluetooth version is 5.0. And inside the box, as I said before, you get the Bullet Wireless, 3 silicone earbuds, 1 USB charging cable, 1 user guide and 1 safety and warranty information. So now talking about the sound aspect, it comes with a 9.2 mm dynamic driver and a superior bass tone fitted to each earbud. So we'll have to test out how the bass performance is. So OnePlus claims that it provides a good rich sound experience with the Bullet Wireless Z. So we'll just connect with the smartphone, and then we'll test out the quality as well. So right now we have paired it with our smartphone and you can see the Bullet Wireless Z. So if you are using a OnePlus device, you have the advantage that when you just remove from the magnetic latch, it automatically detects on your OnePlus device. But for other device, you need to go to the Bluetooth connection and pair it. Now we have tried using this headphones for quite some time. We haven't tested it in detail. This is just the first impressions, and the sound quality we tested was quite good. There is a good balance of bass and the overall quality looks good. So there isn't an excessive bass here, but it's kind of tuned for pretty good sound quality. We'll be testing in detail. We'll put up a detailed review with the sound quality, so wait for that review. But right now we have just tested this first impressions alone, and so these are just your first impressions, and the amount of time we used was very less because we just received the box package. So we have been using this just for few hours, and from that we feel the quality definitely looks good. For a 2000 priced headset, the wireless headset definitely looks good. It's not a true wireless headset there, but then still does perform pretty well. Now we'll be doing a detailed review, so stay tuned for that. So this was just an unboxing and the first impressions of the Bullet Wireless Z earphones, which is priced 199 in India and available on Flipkart, Amazon as well as a OnePlus website. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.